How to turn off Reddit notifications. First, you want to simply open the Reddit application, and once you're inside the Reddit app, you want to simply tap on inbox over here, and inside your inbox you want to tap on three dots at the top of your screen. By doing so, you'd be able to see an option called manage notification settings. You want to simply tap on here, and by doing so you'd be able to see all kinds of notification settings available over here. If you want to turn off any kinds of specific notification settings, you'd be able to do that over here as well, just by simply tapping on all off over here. You want to select it all on, all off to turn your notifications access off over here. You can do it manually as well. However, if you want to turn all of the options available, if you want to turn off all the notification access, you'd be able to do so at once like this. You want to simply tap and hold on to the Reddit app, tap on this eye icon and tap on permission over here, and tap on notification over here. And if you have this allow notification feature on, you want to simply tap on it once to turn your notifications access off. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.